can't describe the way you say my name just makes me tremble deep inside. I wanna feel your touch and get enough of your sweet love.
Hi friends, my name is Kritzy and I am an international boudoir photographer. I have so many things to tell you. So first, I hope you'll bear with me. This is my very first YouTube video. So I'm super excited, but I'm also so nervous because I don't want to mess it up. But anyway, I have so much to tell you. Okay, so first I want to start with how to get more boudoir clients. So we're going to go into this and I'm going to tell you some things that I do to get more clients. So one of the things that I noticed with a lot of photographers, not just boudoir photographers, but everybody in general, is we do a photo shoot and we think, oh, our pictures are so beautiful, our clients love them, and we just automatically think that the clients are going to refer us, which is absolutely not true at all. So basically, what we need to do is we need to start planting that seed to let clients know that we get most of our business by referral. Even if that's not 100% true, like I get a lot of business from all different areas, but I'm telling you, referrals are definitely solid bookings, because I feel like when someone's friend says, oh my God, my photographer was amazing, then that friend is more likely to book with me than if they found me on Google or found me on Wedding Wire or any of those other platforms. So the first thing that I do is when a client emails me, or a potential client, when they email me, I will ask them how they heard about me. So starting from there, I will reply back and say, that's great. I love that you heard about me through X. And if it's not a referral, I will still say I get most of my business by referral. And the reason why I do this is because it's planting the seed to let them know that I get a lot of business by referral. So basically, I tell them this a few times throughout. When I send them an email thanking them for booking with me, I will include a byline at the bottom and just say, thanks for booking with me. I am looking forward to being your photographer. And just so you know, I get most of my business by referral. And if you have any friends or coworkers or anybody that's looking for a boudoir session, I would love if you refer me. And then the next step, what I do is during their session, I will mention again that I get most of my business by referral. I know it sounds really repetitive and that you're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot. You're probably bombarding people with this. However, I'm telling you, it really works. So, because the first time they hear it, they kind of blow it off. They don't really think about it. The second time it might sink in a little. The third time, definitely, they're going to be like, oh yeah, she or he gets most of their business by referral. So basically, the more you tell them this, the more they're going to think about it. And you really have to ask them for what you want. So even if you want them to refer you in other ways too, like on social media, if they're willing to post a photo and do a rave or give you testimonials, whatever it is, you really a lot of times have to ask for this, because not that many people will just go ahead and do it. Plus, I don't know if you've noticed a lot these days, but almost every single platform, anybody that you buy something from, they send you an email asking for a testimonial or a review on their site or on Amazon or wherever. So that's the other thing, is when we go back and we ask our clients for the same thing, they get so much of this from so many people. 90% of the time they just blow it off, because who has time for all that? Who has time to fill out all of the questionnaires and all of the review stuff? So just telling them over time and reminding them that that's how you get your business, they're going to be more apt to say, all right, I'm going to refer them because I love what I got from them. They did a great job, and that's how they get their business. My biggest tip that I hope you take away from this video today is that you can get a lot more business from your past and present clients just by getting them to refer you. So there you go. So I hope that you'll stick around. I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button and you'll come back and see my future videos. I will be posting a video every week. So like I said, this is my first one, so I hope I didn't totally botch it, but be sure to come back, check in, see what else I have coming up. I'm definitely going to do some videos on posing, on the business side of things, on shooting internationally, shooting on location, tips on what you can have your clients bring to make it an amazing shoot. So I'm going to really try to include a lot of different topics that maybe you haven't seen before. And if you have anything that you want to learn from me, just drop a comment below. I will be reading all the comments, so I'll definitely check in with you and just see what it is that you're looking for and that you would like to learn as far as boudoir photography goes. But anyway, thanks for checking in today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.